Well, this is what it looks like when it arrives. Here we are unfolding it, getting it ready to inflate. It takes about 20 minutes, give or take, and then it's up. And you can see there's nice areas for letting in natural light, so it's actually pretty convenient for painting as far as light goes. Here's the fans that come with the tent. Pulling it in is kind of a chore because it only unzips from one side, so you have to be creative when you back it in. And you can see there's plenty of room once you get the car in. Started out at 65 degrees, something like that. And this is where the sun hit the side of the car and heated up the paint on the last coat. Here's mixing it outside the tent in another room. That's pretty much when it's done. Here's my setup on the floor when I was painting. You can see the temperature got about 88 degrees by the end of it. And doesn't look too bad, especially on the north side where it got shade. Strongly recommend a respirator with a full glass, and maybe a hat too.